Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, reviewing and testing, and today I have this massage gun from Silvercrest Personal Care. Targeted massage to activate and regenerate muscles. LED display, Leon technology, LED indicator for intensity and battery levels, 5 intensity levels, 4 hours of battery life, 10 watt, 3 years of warranty, 4 different heads for use on different muscle groups. And let's open it to see what we have inside and how we can use it, relax ourselves after a gym, after a hard day of work. And of course inside we're gonna find out the manual. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. I can see it is in a nice lovely box with a foam around and everything are in the correct position. Nothing it will move as you are taking with you the box. There is no case included to have all these accessories at the case. You can have this box and have it with you at all time when you are traveling, for vacation and more. Now at the box we've got the charger, Type-C I can see, and the charger it is output 5 volt, 2 amp, 10 watt power consumption. Great. It's about 40 centimeters the cable. Now we've got the ball head for small muscle areas and muscle groups such as upper arm. The spiral head for deep muscle tissue and targeted massage like a bottom of the foot. The U-shaped head for deep muscle tissue in a lower back, excluding the spine or the Achilles tendon. And we've got the flat head for large areas like thighs. Nice. And of course we've got the unit, black color. You can only buy it on a black color. There we've got the on-off switch. Nice. Inside we've got the brushless motor with a Leon battery pack. Battery it is 2400 mAh. Built-in automatic shut off. Now let's connect it and see how it's charging. Plug the Type-C here. Switch off. And now it's charging. We've got the 3 LED indicators. And when the third LED indicator will stop flashing, that means the battery is fully charged. When this LED, the first LED, starts flashing, that means you are in a low battery and you need to charge the unit. Perfect. And of course we've got the on-off button. Let's unplug it. Connect the ball head. Switch it on. Press 1. You can see we've got 5 LEDs indicator. The first LED indicator it is 1800 RPM. Second, it is in 2100 RPM. Press once again. Third LED it is in 2400 RPM. Press again. It is in 2700 RPM. And the fifth level, the highest level, it is in 3000 RPM. And again, off, on, first, second, third, fourth and fifth. And off. Nice. I like the shape. You can hold it very well. And let's massage my arm. Oh, and it feels nice. Oh yeah. To stop, just switch off, switch on. If you don't want to press all the time, if you are in a first level, press 5 times just to stop. Well, it will be nice to just press and hold and stop the unit but it's not an option that. And of course we can replace with a flat head. Press again. Choose which is the best accessory for your body, for the correct spot of your body. Ooh, it has power. Let's try it on my legs. Oh yeah. Wow. Definitely I need that. Oh, it's doing an amazing job. Switch off. We've got a U head. Oh no. Or better. Oh, definitely it feels nice. Ball head. Oh yeah. Nice job. I like it. Relax yourself after a hard day of work, after the gym. Relax your muscles at any place of your body. Definitely it will do a great job. Choose the right accessory. I like it. And it cost only 50 euros. I think the price is very good. 3 years warranty. If anything happened, they can replace it. Well guys, that was all about. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and done. Share this video. You never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.